In this video, let's see how to set up a frequency converter from a Delta C2000 series. First you need to connect the electric motor. We look at the connection diagram. 3 incoming phases must be connected to the input terminals R, S, T. And the outgoing ones to the motor must be connected to the U, V, W terminals. Sometimes the electric motor is at 220 volt, then VFD needs to be taken at the same voltage and power as supplied to L1 and N. Next, we connect the wires to the control terminal blocks. We look at the instructions, they're clearly shown. We connect exactly as shown in the diagram. Now we need to set the parameters of the electric motor in the VFD. The motor parameters are written on the motor nameplate. The first parameter is the rated current of the motor. The next parameter is power. Further, the number of revolutions per minute. If desired, you can enable auto-tuning at the first start, thereby determining the resistances of the motor windings and inductance. Press start and the electric motor starts spinning. But let's stop and change the frequency reference first. Right now the task costs 50 Hz. Let's put 10 Hz. Start. Stop. Reverse. Start. Now let's change the source of the start command. By default, there is a control panel. Let's change to terminal blocks. Also change the stop method to coast to stop. So far we have changed only in the hand mode. And in auto mode, we still have the source of the start command, the control panel. We switch to hand mode and check from the buttons. That's all. Now you know how the Delta frequency converter will set up. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.